Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can view your watch history in TikTok. To do this, we need to go to TikTok on your phone or tablet, then click in the lower right corner, Profile, then click in the upper right corner on the three bars, select the item, Settings and Privacy. Here we scroll down, select Activity Center, and the first we have Watch History. What videos we came across in the recommendations, Comment History, comments that we left, and Search History. First we go to Watch History. Here's everything that we came across in the TikTok. You can also view and clear your comment or search history. We can watch some videos, put a like, write a comment. Let's say we forgot about them and want to re-enter, find them somewhere. That was the Phone Support Channel. Bye-bye.